Hello, it's me, Joy /Fairy Liquid from the magical land of JingJangJooJong. Going to tell you some really corny jokes, some of which you may have heard, all of which are very bad, some of which the grown-ups won't get, and some of which probably don't work outside of England. But I do hope you enjoy it, and maybe you can put some of them to use. Here we go, let's get started. What do ballooners like to have for tea? Bangers and mash. What do you call a grandpa balloon? Pop! Of course. No, I'm not going to pop it. What noise does a balloon gun make? Bang, of course. I'm not going to pop this one. What did the balloon twister say on their birthday? I'm so happy I could burst. Why do I like to twist balloons at parties? Because they're very popular. Why did the balloon model leave the party? Because he had to pop out for a bit. What do you call Kate Moss if she wears lots of latex? A balloon model. And on that theme, what do you call a dog walking down a catwalk? A balloon model. What popular Dickens novel was really all about ballooning? Oliver Twist. Why did the balloon model leave the party? Because he had to pop out.
So let's see how loud you can shout.